Today we'll discuss about modulus function. So see here, modulus of x, which is nothing but magnitude of x. Magnitude of x. For example, you see here modulus of 2 is there. What is its magnitude? 2 only, right? So magnitudes always will be greater than or equal to 0. Yes, 2 is greater than or equal to 0. That is right statement only. Modulus of minus 2 is equal to what then? That means magnitude of minus 2 is what then? If I write minus 2, compulsory you need to give one more negative sign before it to make result positive. Why? Modulus means what? You need to get a positive result, right? If you want to write in terms of minus 2, you need to give one more negative sign before it. Then only result will be positive. That means what? Whenever positive quantity is there in modulus, you can give plus sign only before it. Whenever negative quantity is there inside modulus, you need to give one negative sign before it to make result positive. So that means what you see here, magnitude of x means what? Modulus of x. That can be written as what? Plus x when inside quantity is greater than or equal to 0 means a positive number. Whenever positive number is there, you need to give plus sign. When you have negative number, you need to give one negative sign before it to make result positive when negative sign is there. So this thing you need to remember. Based on above example, we did this. Now see here. For example, modulus of x is less than or equal to 2 is there. In place of x, which values can be given? Can I give minus 2? Modulus of minus 2 is what? Plus 2 only, right? That is less than or equal to 2 is correct statement only. Okay, minus 2 can be taken in place of x. Next, minus 1 can be taken, 0 can be taken, 1 can be taken, 2 can be taken, right? These all values can be taken, but you can't take 3. If I write 3, modulus of 3 is what? Plus 3 only. That is less than or equal to 2 is going to be incorrect statement. So you can't take out of these values, means 3, 4, 5, means before minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, those values can't be taken. So it implies as what? Tell me. X values are from minus 2 to plus 2, minus 2 to plus 2. So therefore, when modulus of x is less than or equal to 2, when modulus of x less than or equal to 2, then x belongs to what? It implies what? X belongs to minus 2 to 2. So I am going to give a formula, making a formula you see here. In the same way, modulus of x less than or equal to a is there. That will implies as what? X belongs to. Whenever you see modulus of x less than or equal to 2 is there, then you got values from minus 2 to plus 2, right? When modulus of x is less than or equal to a, then x belongs to minus a to plus a. Okay, this thing you need to know. Next you see here. Suppose modulus of x is greater than or equal to 2. Then x can be taken as what? X can be taken as what? Can I take minus 3? So modulus of minus 3 is what? Plus 3 only, which is greater than or equal to 2. Right statement. Next, minus 2. If I take minus 2, modulus of minus 2 is what? Plus 2 only, which is greater than or equal to plus 2. Right statement only. Okay. So after that, can I take minus 1? Modulus of minus 1 is what? Plus 1 only, which is greater than or equal to 2 is wrong statement. You can't take this value. Next, 0 also can't be taken. 1 also can't be taken. Next, we can take 2. Okay. Modulus of plus 2 is what? Is greater than or equal to 2. Right statement only. Next, 3 can be taken, 4 can be taken, so on. On this side also minus 4 can be taken, minus 5 can be taken, so on. So therefore, it all implies as what? X belongs to minus infinity to minus 1, minus infinity to minus 2, union 2 to infinity, 2 to infinity. So these values can't be taken. Means values from minus 2 to 2 can't be taken. So therefore, you see here, whenever you are having modulus of x greater than or equal to 2, we can say that implies x values are from minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity, making it is as a formula. So modulus of x greater than or equal to 2 implies as what? X belongs to minus infinity to c, making it is as a formula, right? Modulus of x greater than or equal to a, suppose. Then that implies what? X belongs to minus infinity to minus a union a to infinity. This thing also you need to remember. So modulus of x greater than or equal to a implies what? X belongs to minus infinity to minus a union a to infinity. So here and here we are having is equal to symbol, less than or equal. When you have is equal to symbol, sharp brackets will come. Means these values also can be included as values of x. Suppose is equal to is not there, then x can't be taken as is equal to a. In such cases you need to give open bracket like this. So here also, here is equal to symbol is there, so that's why given sharp brackets. That means x is equal to a can be taken, correct or not? So that means x can be taken as a, so that's why taken sharp bracket. If is equal to symbol is not there, then you need to give open brackets only. That means exactly x can't be taken as a. Now we'll see the graph of modulus function. See here, graph of modulus function. These are values of x and these are values of modulus of x on y-axis. So see here, modulus of x is equal to what? Y here. All these are values of x and all these are values of mod x or y values. Suppose x is 0, then what will get? Y as y also 0, right? So 0 comma 0 is a point on curve, point on modulus of x. 0 comma 0 is this one only. Next, when x is 1, modulus of 1 is equal to what? Plus 1 only. So therefore when x is 1, y also 1. So 1 comma 1 is a point on modulus of x. Next, when x is 2, modulus of 2 is what? 2 only, right? Modulus of 2 is what? 2 only. So when x is 2, y also 2. So 2 comma 2 is a point on curve modulus of x. So 2 comma 2. Similarly 3 comma 3. Joining all those you can have graph like this. So when you are giving positive values. So giving negative values, for example minus 1 you write. Modulus of minus 1 is what? Plus 1 only, right? As minus 1 is a negative quantity, you need to give one more negative sign before it, so that result will be 1. So when x is 1, y also 1. When x is 1, y also, when x is minus 1, y is what? 1. When x is minus 1, x is minus 1, y is 1. When x is minus 2, similarly, y is what? Plus 2 only. So joining all those, you can have graph like this. So this is graph of modulus function. So we'll discuss some problems based on modulus function in next class. Thank you everyone.